Hello guys, welcome to Web2s. In today's video, I'll be highlighting you quick on an educational video on how to generate Flash crypto using the blockchain flasher to my Bybit wallet. As you all can see, my Bybit wallet, the balance I'm having available in the software. So with it being said, let me click on deposit and let's go straight to the point, generating Flash crypto to our Bybit wallet. So for this video tutorial, we'll be generating USDT at the TRC20 network. So we copy the wallet address and go to our blockchain flasher software and generate the Flash token instantly. So if you are new to this software, the first step you get access to the software is to purchase your activation key, in which will come together with your credit license, and you get access to the dashboard like this and start generating Flash. With it being said, let me click on USDT and enter the amount we'll be sending for this video tutorial. Let's say we're sending 3 million Flash USDT at the TRC20 network. So we paste the address we just copied from our Bybit wallet. So you all can see live on screen. So we click on continue to generate the Flash crypto. So you all can see the Flash crypto has been generated successful, and you all can see the transaction, you all can see the time and the date. So let's wait for our Flash to reflect to our Bybit wallet. One thing I love about the blockchain flasher, it's an instant reflect and it generates Flash crypto with just the receiver's wallet address, no setup needed, and any crypto that is generated is actually transferable from one wallet to another. Wow, you can see the Flash crypto we just generated has reflect successful in our Bybit wallet. Live on screen, you all can see the Flash crypto has reflect successful, and I will be showing you guys in this video tutorial how the blockchain flasher is actually any coin that has been generated with using the blockchain flasher software is actually transferable and tradable, swappable from one wallet to another. So let me try sending this Flash crypto we just generated to my Trust wallet. Let me see who'll be funding this Trust wallet for this video tutorial. So let me click on the Trust wallet token and click on receive. After clicking receive, we copy the wallet address that is in our Trust wallet. Let me click on copy. So let me go back to my Bybit wallet, showing you guys live on screen the Flash crypto we just generated using the blockchain flasher. We'll be sending it out to our Trust wallet. So let me click on withdraw and confirm withdrawal. Click on confirm. So let me verify the PIN and let me put the authenticator verification and verification from my email. So you guys should just wait, give me some time. And if you just need the software, you can get the link in my channel description. Wow, you all can see the Flash crypto has been sent. Let me screenshot and save it. So if you want to send to your client, showing them proof that you have sent crypto. So live on screen, let's check our withdrawal history. You can see it's under review. Let's just wait. Wow, you can see it has been completed live on screen. You can see the date and the time, and you can see the amount has been debited from our Bybit wallet. So let's go to our Trust wallet to confirm the Flash crypto we just sent to our Trust wallet. Let me refresh and wait. Let's wait for the crypto to reflect. Let me refresh once again. It might take some time, maybe 2 minutes. Wow, you can see the notification has dropped from Trust wallet saying our deposit is here live on screen. You can see the transaction history, you can see the date and the time. We just generate this flash crypto live on screen. I'm showing you guys. So if you are new to my software blog web tools, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get updated whenever I drop new video.